Hello, my name is Greg Ramey. I'm a battalion chief with the Boise Fire Department. On Monday, July 18th, 2022, at 1:47 p.m., I was among Boise fire crews that were dispatched to a structure fire at 5465 West Irving Street. This property is a large thrift store, sort facility, and warehouse complex belonging to the Idaho Youth Ranch. En route to the call, a large column of smoke was visible and additional resources were quickly requested. Engine 5 was the first unit on scene and reported heavy fire conditions. Our first priority is always life safety, so it was confirmed that all workers were out of the buildings, and defensive operations were initiated. A defensive operation is used when conditions, in this case extreme heat and potential for structural collapse, make it unsafe to operate in the interior of a structure. It's primarily water being applied to a fire from exterior positions that are outside of any potential collapse zones. Firefighters attacked the fire from the outside and worked to protect nearby buildings. Fire conditions were extreme, and the firefighting efforts were made more difficult by hot weather and sustained winds. The fire involved multiple large cardboard containers called gaylords, filled with every type of donated consumer goods imaginable, and hundreds of one-ton compacted bales of clothing. The majority of the bales were stored under a three-sided large metal warehouse, making the application of fire streams difficult. The combined fuels produced heat high enough to weaken the steel frame of the warehouse. Ultimately, the incident called for 3 alarms. The responding units included 16 engines, 3 ladder trucks, 2 safety officers, 3 battalion chiefs, 2 division chiefs, 3 investigators, 2 logistics captains, a rehab unit, Ada County paramedics, Boise Police, and the Ada County Highway District. Boise fire crews and our partners worked hard in a coordinated effort to prevent the fire from spreading to the surrounding properties and to bring the incident under control. The 3-sided warehouse on the east side of the complex did collapse and was completely destroyed, but the main Idaho Youth Ranch building and other buildings were saved, although they did receive some damage. There were no reports of civilian injuries. 3 firefighters suffered injuries. Boise fire crews remained on scene through the night and the next day to provide water for final extinguishment as heavy equipment sorted through the clothing bales before removing them from the property. On behalf of the Boise Fire Department, be safe